Okay, guys, let's just say, what a total day. I don't have much of a voice left. I apologize. But what a really unbelievable day. Let me start with pre-market here. It was a gorgeous trade that I took early in the morning at 8:18 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. And that was literally right off of the 67s, 69, 67s. And that came all the way down to my targets, and I got out at 68.23. It was a gorgeous trade. Now that was followed up by what we call an RS trade, okay, that somebody could have taken, and in addition to, they could have actually added there, but that's all well and good. It's neither here nor there. So that was a gorgeous trade. Now another really fantastic opportunity was right here, and that was at 12:57, and that was another short opportunity, and that went from 68.87, over 100 pennies. It's crazy moves. Now you're going to sit there, maybe and ask yourself, well, was that something I could have gotten? As a trader who trades, Sam's method. The answer is unequivocally yes, 100%. Right? You just have to follow the rules. You have to follow the rules. And now that's interesting because that was what 1257 on over there on crude. And then we had the opportunity at 1321. So this is really, this is what it looks like if you put an arrow on there. And you can see, and it's really it's very dynamic. I have to say, it's very exciting. Very, very exciting. And I'm very grateful. I'm very, very grateful for what I do and what I do for others. And, I hope they're as grateful as I am because I don't know where they'd be without our method. All right, so now let's get rid of this. Now, here is the NQ. Here is the NQ. And the NQ gave us what we call an opportunity early in the morning. Gave us an opportunity for the major pullback area to get long. So right in here, anywhere from really 610.75 all the way down to 5.25, within about 5-point range, and that went all the way up to the top. Here's a trade we took together, 1018, and that went about 25 ticks. Then she came down again, and from the 638.75, that came down about 24 points. And then, of course, this was what I call the granddaddy of them all. And I did not take this, okay, because I took enough stuff. And I am a believer that once you're done for the day, you just don't keep pushing it. But here was another beautiful opportunity for those who know the methodology. And that was right there at 611.25. Now you're going to say, well, what is 611.25, Sam? What does that really mean? Now that's 1321, which was the same time as just happened as the ES. And that took you down really from 12 and change down about 60 points, which is really cool stuff. So all morning I was talking about the ES. I said this entire move up is because of the EU or ECB, okay, European Central Bank. And they said, basically they're not tapering yet, blah, 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 and so on and so forth. So I said, expect in the afternoon, guys, that this comes back down right here, at least to 98.50. And guess what? It actually went even below that, but 98.50 was the actual target. And It was my target, so that was good. And all morning I was preaching and preaching and preaching. Hey, this is where it's coming. So, you know, sometimes I think, I need to be pinched. You need to be pinched. I think we all need to be pinched, because when you're trading this methodology, it just seems too good sometimes. Don't get me wrong. Most people who trade my method do what people do with any methodology. They screw it up because they're not disciplined. They can't follow rules. They get a little jumpy and so on and so forth. That being said, another beautiful day, another dream day. And I'm going to see everybody back here tomorrow. All right. It's 9/9 of 2021. I'm going to see everybody back here for 9/10/2021. You guys have a great day, and please be safe out there. Thank you.